Hello YouTubers, this is TR from the lovely city Bhagyanagar. Yes guys, Hyderabad is previously called as Bhagyanagar. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. First of all, I would like to thank all of you. Thanks a lot my dear friends. Why? Because I think 3 weeks before I have uploaded a video. I requested you people to share this video as much as you can, so that a deserved person, a right person can reach the video. You know what? Your shares gone right. My video didn't wasted. My efforts didn't wasted, and your shares didn't wasted. Yesterday, I got a call from high cadred manager of Royal Enfield. He asked me. Actually he saw this video in YouTube and he called me yesterday. I had almost talked with him almost 15 minutes through a phone call. He asked me the problem, and he talked with the service manager, bring the bike to service center, so that he will resolve whatever the problems I am facing with my Royal Enfield Thunderbird in the presence of him. So now I am going to Royal Enfield service station to resolve my problem. Let's see, do they resolve this problem or not. Since 10 days it's raining a lot in Hyderabad, so unable to do rides for you guys. Finally guys, I got my bike with well resolved. Everything is perfect now. Thanks a lot to those people who had a lot of concern on my bike. You know the amazing part is the sounds which are coming from this instrument cluster. There is zero sounds guys. You literally trust me, there is no sounds at all. The sounds which are coming bottom of the tank, and the sounds which are coming from instrumental cluster, no sounds at all. I'm very happy with the service station guys. Of course, this is because of those two managers. Who is one of the manager is from RE, and one of the manager from the service station. Actually, we had a talk about almost 2 to 3 hours. They have explained the enthusiasm, and they have explained their hard work towards the customers. The problems are ended up with the lower category mechanics. Yeah, this is what is happening. The problems are not going up to the managers, so that the problems are still there. But my problem was gone through the higher authority. Now it is cleared. But I don't want this to be continued. The problem should be rectified at mechanics itself, at the mechanic level itself. It should not go for managers. Anyhow guys, it's almost, I think I went to RE 2:30, I think 2:30 PM. Now it's 5:30. Almost 3 hours to the 3:30, 4:30. Yeah, 3 hours I stayed there itself. They have received very well. Literally, I'm telling you, I'm very much happy with their job. Thanks a lot, both of you. I don't want to mention the names. Really thankful to you. There is some what it calls where there is a will, there will be a way. Yes. So finally, with the help of the managers, I got my bike everything is under control, everything is good. Hope to see the same job and with other customers also. This is a customer relation based business. If you want to be succeed, the success will come with the teamwork, not with single person. He's perfectly alright. I know that service center manager is absolutely fantastic. Now I understood that why the problems are not resolving means the problems are not going to the right person, and maybe right mechanic or right manager. So if you go for a right person, for a right mechanic, for a proper or particular repair, then that will be definitely rectified. I think today I'm feeling like I'm riding a showroom bike. Just today I bought my bike. This is what I'm feeling right now. So guys, for you, for my supporters and subscribers who are watching my videos, I'm telling you, don't be disappointed with any bad thing which has happened to your bike. Keep asking them to rectify the problem. You will definitely get a solution. Otherwise, you have a chance that you can complain the same complaint to the high cadre managers. They will definitely take care. Why? Because we will all think that RE makes bikes but not bothers about customer problems. That is absolutely wrong, guys. Absolutely wrong. Because today I met RE person, RE company guy I met today. He was just like unbelievable. They have lot of theories. They have lot of step-by-step instruction to the every service station so that they can resolve the problem. So guys, don't blame RE, don't blame even service station also. You will be get satisfied. That's all for today. Thank you all. This is as always, ride safe, take care. Hasta la vista.